Isa na, Saba. Mute na.
But before that, allow me to acknowledge the presence of everybody in attendance, the members of the Vice and Awards Committee, Ade Edita Montilde of good afternoon, ma'am, and the Chief of the Construction Section, Engineer Aris Rosete. Also joining us via Zoom is our invited observer from the Commission on Audit, Ms. Ma'am Ivy Bingil. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, and also with us are also the members of the technical working group and some of the engineers and architects who will be giving to us the details of these projects. And this activity is streamed live via our YouTube channel. And welcome to our viewers. We can now proceed with the giving of the details and contract details of these projects. And this pre-bid conference is being conducted to determine the preparedness of the projects to be bid out. Again, for this afternoon, we have two agenda, and these are the pre-bid conference for 40 projects under civil works. And we are also going to conduct the pre-bid conference for 2 projects under goods and other related services. So we can now proceed with the discussion and presentation of the details of the 14 projects under civil works. Ms. Benilda Pacquiao, if you are ready, please proceed.
Good afternoon, Provincial. Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon.
For our first project, we have 24 LO 0193, construction of concrete revetment at Lasang River, Davao del Norte, with an EPC of 48,250,000 under CY 2024 River Infrastructure Program. So this is the project location. This is for the landmark at Panabo City, near JP Laurel, Barangay 1, and JP Laurel Elementary School. This is the project location. For our scope of works, for our site location, so we have 2 sections for this project. This is the beginning of the project, beginning of our earth dike with bank protection, and next section is this is the beginning of our complete revetment and also the end of our complete revetment. So the red one is the complete revetment, and then the yellow one is the earth dike with bank protection. So for our scope of works, this is construction of complete revetment with steel sheet piles, 12 meters in length, and also the construction of embankment dike with bank protection. So this is the typical section for section 1, or the yellow one, yellow line indicated before. This is the embankment dike with bank protection. And for the typical section for our complete revetment with sheet piles, for our Japan photos, so continuation for this project. So the illusional portion. So, end of presentation.
Okay, question? Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Structure. If we are facing downstream, what is the location of the structure? Please don't. I don't know what to do. Yes, the left bus. So, orientations at the critical. So, that's really, you must be facing downstream.
Facing downstream, so left side.
Left side, yes. So the orientation is, no.
Balik. Ibali na lang. That is facing upstream. Pero ang imong picture naman is facing out upstream eh. Tapos ang iyang plan is facing upstream. Ang katong Google niya, katong sa iyang Google map, kanang location kana.
Based on the as if the project is at the right, which is the cabinet. Yes, ma'am.
So ano na lang siya, facing upstream.
Facing upstream.
Hmm.
Yes, facing upstream.
Kana, facing upstream.
So, heavy things then. Though I'm feeling the reading of the writer must always be at the tail of the river.
Okay ra. Okay lang orientation. So no question na on the proposed both sections na revetments Nils no.
Both banks ko man.
Both sections, section 1 and 2 kanang yellow o red.
Bali ang sa yellow line mo, na ano siya existing na one level na so na-extend na lang pa since di na ako nag-overflow ako ang
O sige gibutan dito, concrete revetment gyapon.
earth
Dike with slope protection.
slope protection.
So unsa ang protection niya? Rotary concrete, reinforced concrete. Question?
Ang sa record police kaning red na portion medyo okay na ang kanina lang yellow sir mo na lang ni ang kanang mga finance offset siya na wala pa i-finalize na siya wala sa offset kanina to 10 meters ito lang siya na importance kanina.
So what is the status now of the road right of way negotiation?
So lang siya 10 meters na offset. So kanina lang ang gina-negotiate ko. Within the easement, diba ang easement is 20 meters from the back of the river. So we are still within the easement, right? Yes, ma'am. Within the easement. So I prepared na yung ang design, already ko na yung year years about. Oh, bilang kasi lang year.
Kini mo ang problema ang ito ang proses na paglaray ng brain for 2023 halos wala tayo na attended as per plan na pinakikatason ng ito ang na paglaba na nakuha. Gusto na natin i-revise na nagpapang sa pagbuhay. So, hopefully kayo ta, mapasukan kayo sa pagbuhay agents na mga musika.
So, kaning propose na to nga 20 meter, 0.2 meter thick na concrete slab. Why do we need to pave that?
Para siya ma'am, since kanin po ang existing na revetment, overflow na siya. So kanin nga section din niya kung saturate siya, mo buba na po po ang existing na revetment. So mo ang proposal is to establish na lang siya o protection. So mo complete.
Nagmahimo na siya ano ba? Carriageway. Di man kag 10 meters, more than two lanes. Mura mag-local barangay road na, di ba? So sa consideration gani nato nganong nag-setback tag 10 meters?
Ang amo lang is para katundaan na nga structure. If mag-construct kapag sobrang kaduol, during construction na ako mga destroy na kaya existing na structure.
Ten. Bantayan na pud na siya nga kuan ba? Nga section kay basin di na pud mutukod og mga balay ang mga tao. Hindi kaya? Konkreto good. Dili good pasudlan. Dili good pa basin na yung mga illegal settlers ba? Nangukuan. Okay, sige. Any other question? So no more questions. So we will now proceed to the next project.
For our
Mingaw kayo mi diri sa YouTube ba? Murag kami lang tuloder na nag-istorya.
For our second project. For our second project, 24 LOC for construction of complete development at Tagum-Libuganon River, Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, with an EPC of 48,250,000. Project location is Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. Source of fund is Silva, flood control structures protecting major strategic buildings and facilities with a contract duration of 171 calendar days. So for our project location, this is Tagum-Libuganon River, the blue line. So our project is at Santo Tomas, and this is our project located at Barangay Davao. So for the proposed project site, we also have two sections. So this is the beginning of the project, section 1. And we also have section 2 for our project. For our details, this is construction of reinforced concrete revetment using reinforced concrete blocks. For section 1, we have 78 linear meters. And for section 2 is 27 linear meter with a total length of 105 kilometer concrete revetment using concrete blocks with a size of 0.5 by 0.5 meters by 1.5 meters each block. So this is the typical section. For the top view, so it's almost 9 meters with a height of 6 meters. So these are the scope of works for our project. So major scope of works is the reinforced concrete. And our project logos, these are for the section 1. So there was 5 area. Saka po ang building na to ang this is 78 meters for section 1. Section 1. Section 1. And for the section 2, so kami siya area. So ako niyo siya kasuntayan kay since ni another way ang river na side. So dapat siya itong figure din natin sa first section. That's all for the observation.
Okay, question. O saan ang existing da mo na siyang concrete reinforced concrete blocks na?
For them, yes po.
O saan na siya? Spar deck?
Yes po. For them.
Niya na may ano, nag-action na siya o nag-action na siya buhat og lain na pod nga kuan dalan waterway. So asa na to ibutang tong section kana siya i-close na to?
Yes po, for section 2.
O ano siyang ordinary water level?
Kanto ning taas kayo na pag-hawag after Sheila. Okay, no, ordinary water, ano mo, isa kung kanina ang ordinary yung water level is
Pero usang ano to siya, structure siya. I cannot imagine man good. Saan na to pag
balikan niya siya ang structure mo, instead of spur-like yung function, gilinya lang naman siya din niya sa bank, para hindi ko siyang bank protection.
so mo na siya katong 0.5 by 0.5 by 0.5 concrete blocks. So mo na siyang inyong i-pile diri sa parallel to the river bank.
So, ang simple niya is the same as Carmen. So, ang base is wider and isa.
So okay. Sige ma'am.
Ang meters, top na, ang weight sa yung top.
Still mention
So usa nang isa ka spar dike nga murag naguba na kana.
Sabi siya, ay naayos na siya na wala lang tumaas na tubig ko siya makuha.
Bali, wala ang kanagpuan.
Kulag pag height.
Wala ang ang top niya, 3 meters, wala.
Yes, ma'am. 9 ang baba.
Ang bottom weight is
9
meters, ang height niya is 6.
So naabatay kuan working area. O asa makamaneuver ang mga equipment kay kuan man ni.
Ang setup sa site one is
Tao-tao lang ba ang mag-ano ani, mag-pile? Dili kaya di ba? 0.5 by 0.5 o 1.5 dako-dako na ni. 0.5 dako. So asa mo kuan ang crane? Asa mo? Kaya na yung mga balay. Kana. So asa kung saan na to pagpasunod sa crane diha?
Nana siya access road kanina portion ng kay kanilang buwing na pagdini ang project na si AB settle din niya sa right of way para ma-clear din siya. So mo to siya mo na po mo gamiton na access para din ang section.
So continuing ba ni siya nga flood control nga
Yes.
Project? kasi based sa picture na to na taas-taas mo nang at kuanan. Oo. So ano na siya, nag-scar na siya, then possibly ang easement wala na. Kasi private ko private land na nang kaon diha.
Kaning sila before pila ka years before, wala naman din ang attorney. So medyo same pa ni nga barangay. Pero since nagsige naman ako flooded, Facebook ang waterway. So na-inform aware na yung mga kaning sa barangay Talong mga area na may kay na ano ba yung
So title daw yuta diha. Title?
yes, from that. And then kung alam na pahuli ko ng proseso, medyo aware na po.
Makasunod ka, free dahil.
Ang mga sir, wala. Ano siya road din nga natin na portion. Dali mo sila nag-access sa pag-pagpag.
Yes.
Parang gawin ka ito kasi ikaw na ay access road dito. Yung details na ito ang right to way. Pero kung right to way, ito na ito ang project. Kaning doon na right to way. Wala pa rin siya na detail in advance. So, kung makilang ko wala ka ba yun, ang punta ko dito na dito. So, dapat siguro, right to way ngayon. Pili ka ito ba? Okay, right to way na.
Wala, sipag ito eh. Sipag.
Other things.
Oo, na lang din. Please, bahala na lang ako ganing, hindi mo ba namin ng mga after. Yes. Okay.
And the group can apply very circular extra. So this is the nature where we set the other to the ground. So we can set aside on that.
Gani. So, what is the status of the clearing of the road right of way? Kasi we know na sipag ni siya niya walay raw fund. So it should be basta mga sipag projects, 'di ba? It is coordinated with the LGU, and the LGU will be the ones to facilitate the removal of any structure that would be affected or land
As for
negotiation sa land.
Yes, Madam Chair, as for sa our program, since sipag siya, we allocate for the removal, but ang relocation sa mga recipients is under siya sa barangay and then sa LGU. So sila ang nagabuan sa paggaling sa mga ilahang mga tao din ang side.
So nagsugod na ta.
Ayos po. Anong kaning sa ongoing, nanatay na settle din na and then continue na po dito ang kaning pag-acquire din ang side. Sila naman po ang nag-request sa mga person na nandini ang area. Bali sila na ang nag-volunteer na i-ano na
Dili po pwedeng as far deck na lang po na siya diya tanan all throughout.
Actually, ma'am, ako po lang i-kuan na whisper dahil wala akong po isang kaunti. Ang kanina po siya mga section, ma'am, kung mag-spur dahil hindi niya, ang gamay na ako ang channel, hindi mo balo na kitas ang overlay. So, nagpula mo ang
Unsa to siya ma'am? Needs?
since kanina portion siya, mga siya na yung bali, ano siya ma'am, katong sa ilang upstream, dako ang iyahang weed sa river. Pag abot ani na section, ni gamay siya, nga nilalong. So kung mag-spur deck may mudako na po ang river, balik na po siya dito ang side.
Mangita na po siya laing
Makita na po siya dahil
waterway.
waterway. So, ang muna lang ni Juan is instead na spur deck siya, kaya supposed to be spur deck siya. I-revetment na naman siya po para hindi na siya mo padayin pa din ang side.
So this would be the first time that you would be introducing kaning type nga design nga dili siya spur dike kun dili ko ang gyud riverbank ano tawag ni riverbank protection.
Yes.
Sir Aris, napatay pangutana? Okay, so Ma'am Dave, no more. So, okay, let us now proceed to the next project. Pero kaning 3, 4, 5, can we discuss this one time na lang? Unya na lang may mangutana. The same location ba ni? Murag compound? No, ang 3, 4, 5. So, okay, ma'am. Is it okay with you, ma'am? I-discuss na to ni 3, 4, 5 para ma-relate na to ba kay isa lang man siya ka-compound. Uy, kanindo sa ilang perspective. Green building. Dr. Noon.
24-0197. Construction of DPWH Davao del Norte Sub-DEO building, Carmen, Davao del Norte, with an ABC of 106,150,000, with a total fund of CY 24 VIP, and a contract duration of 205 days. These are the sites for the planning. Here are photos. Scope of works. For ground floor slab, all tiles. Perimeter walls, interior walls are included, and for the second floor is complete construction. Then for roof deck is suspended slab with waterproofing. The second floor plan. Roof deck plan. Site development plan. Are the elevations, left elevation, right elevation. Front and the rear elevation. This is the perspective.
Alam na hindi nag-prepare. Kani prototype ba ni? Di ba na atay prototype design? Prototype ba, Jess?
For the next project, 24L0198, construction of DPWH Davao del Norte sub-office, employees quarter and the residence. Carmen, Davao del Norte, with an ABC of 28,950,000, source of fund, CY 2024 NBC. Contract duration 150 calendar days. Project location. The Jota photos. Scope of works, complete construction of 30 0.25 meter by 13.25 meter, two-story sub-office. Employees quarters and the residents. The ground floor plan. The second floor plan. The perspective. And the presentation. For 24LO0199, construction of DPWH Davao del Norte Sub-Office, Admin, Finance, and QAS, Carmen Davao del Norte, with an EBC of 28,950,000. Circle funds UI 2024 MVP, contract duration 150 calendar days. Project location. The job focus. For scope of works. Complete construction of 30 by 9 meter, two-story QAS office building. And this is the ground floor plan. And the second floor plan. In the perspective. And the presentation.
Okay, can we go back to the site development plan, and can you show us asan ni siya ang location aning tulo ka buildings? The one on the center is the main building.
It's left side po is yung employees quarters and the residents. And sa right side po is UAS building.
So, asa ang ano, admin and finance nasa
Sa one po siya included po siya sa UAS.
sa ikatulong nga building.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, right.
Road nga, Panabo po, Panabo po sa road.
Sa front po.
The front.
Ito.
Doon man gumos Tuganay River, Tuganay Creek.
Ito ba na rin po nasa dito.
Creek man kaya na, di man na river. River yun na, principal. Sa river, principal Tuganay River, dili creek.
Passages.
Dili ba, katuna siyang first na side, kaya ano man sa advantages o sa disadvantages mo ba, kaya dumamang ang kakag sa ang side. Kani siya ng original na 3 hectares and the other one is 2 hectares. Ang 2 hectares mo po is layo dyan siya kaayon sa National Highway ba. So, hopefully, ma-convert to National Highway at ng City Coastal. Pero, medyo layo dyan siya. Kunya, hindi po siya safe para sa mga empleyado na to. Labi na kung mga parang mag-iikan, medyo parang wala siya kayo mga silingan ba na layo sa highway. Samantalang kaning sa first is, ang issue niya, ng wood is katong flooded. Wherein na mga na-funded na ng mga solutions para dinha, na funded na siya for 2024, o katong sa Tagum-Libuganon na part po siya sa ATV. Yeah, mas closer siya dito sa atong National Highway, dito sa 1 kilometer lang. The second site is medyo layo dito siya kaayo.
May asa ka nag-soil test?
Wala pag-evolve na lang.
Wala pong maganda.
Evolve na lang ang soil test.
Okay, mas prefer hindi magkakaat. Huwag nang gihapon na, Jen.
Pero like sa daang hardy ka mga.
Okay, convert ng big na international.
Then, ang safety po sa mga empleyado, ang ano bina-consider. So, usually, dili lang kaya ang gabi, mag-aatan, kaya dito gabi, especially ang taga-planning.
Kaning coastal road will connect sa national highway na.
Yes, ma'am.
Pila ka kilometro from this,
first side is only 1 kilometer, less than 1 kilometer.
Ito 1.7 plus. Pero ba yung hindi ako at siguro sa internet.
kaning 3 hectares, na-take ownership ani.
Wala pa ma'am. Like you say, kaya tulog pa sa gani na overlapping ang tulog. May gani ka sa relay lang na nakapalit sa tulog na doon. Serving niya ba na?
Pero be sure na, kasi ibibid na nato ni. Ibibid na nato ni, then this will be constructed simultaneously, I think, di ba? Oh, simultaneous siya. So, just be sure na ang ato ang proof of ownership na nagyod. Ha, unya, dili ka basta-basta makaano. Kasi isa na siya sa,
Pinabayataan.
yeah.
Wala pa gani dapat una magani ang taas levels.
Mm.
Kasi ang design.
Okay, dili naman ta pwede nga mag-i-include nato sa program ang katong geotechnical. Bawal na. Part siya sa PDE na.
Nakarga sa TV, ma'am, kaya lang, wala pa nang bili. Na pre-prop up yung Friday. That's 1 week before.
So are we going to push through sa atong i-bid out na nato ni? Considering na wala pa ang soil test nato, then what if there would be there is a need to modify our design. Kasi gibuhat diri lang, spread footing lang. Ha? Compile footing.
The subject for kung ano din from the center.
We have to be sure kay kuan gud ni siya 3-story no? Ilang roof deck?
Mas so ano ba siya naglalong bitaw against the road. Sasabihan.
Tapos
sasabihan gihapon na sa taas.
how many meters atong feeling ani?
Di ba ipasor din natin sila ipasor din natin sa
So kaning site development plan is for the 3 hectares. Good afternoon, attorney. For the 3 hectares na ito. So eventually, this would be sa man ang ownership ani by palito nato o donation. Donation. At attorney, itong case na to ba, we're discussing yung proposed buildings nila, yung kanilang opisina talaga ng Sub-DEO, and the land which is 3 hectares will be donated by Relay. Castañeda will be pa lang. So that's why we are discussing if we're going to push through na sa atong bidding, considering na hindi pa natin pag-aari yung lote.
Pero sa man siya ma-execute sa yung dito donation. Dapat mag-bid? Sino ang maganda?
Si ano, Relay, Castañeda.
Siya ba ang maganda?
Hindi natin. Posible. Posible. Pero ang meron siya. Pwede ba yan? Hindi yan eh. Hindi pwede yung proof of ownership talaga. Di ba? So, sige, we will decide now kasi para dili ta maano. So are we going to defer muna pending ano? Pending acquiring of the ano? Of the proof of ownership.
Hindi ko pa din ano.
Matagalan ba ito, no?
Maka-start. Meron yung case, ma'am, hindi talaga na-start after 2 years ang construction sa site.
Pero ito may
So,
site na,
hindi
kaya
yun.
lang yung proof of
So,
ownership.
din yun, ma'am, na may site na talaga mismo.
Tapos yung ownership
Tapos,
ang problema.
Oo, pinwestiyon ng ng owner. Yung bagay donation ng donation pa. How much more ito?
We have to,
Putting public funds on private property.
yeah, we have to make sure nga walang mga encumbrances, attorney, no? Yung hindi natin
Yes,
alam.
oo. But may transfer of property free from all encumbrances.
Oo.
Encumbrance.
Hirap yan. Hirap yan, basi makasuhan ta later on. So, i-defer sa nato ni siya. No? Ade? Discuss siguro na to, then we will expedite kung ano yung ano para, although i-defer natin, then we will see how expeditious, how prompt can we secure the ownership. No? Kasi mga internal arrangement lang, baka mahirap kasi. Kailangan natin ng resibo. We need receipt. Resibo jud. Importante. Okay, so, okay, agreed. Back. Defer muna natin, attorney, ang ano, bidding. So, anyway. Approve naman ang plano, no? Wala pa. Pagyapon na-approve ang plano. And also, yung sinasabi ni Ade kanina na ano, yung subsoil exploration. Subsurface exploration. So 3, 4, 5 will be deferred pending receipt of the deed of donation for the lot. Okay, so can we now proceed to project number 6? Hi, going back dito sa kuan kato nag-prepare ganing site development plan. Did you include yung access road papasok?
Yes.
Perimeter fence. Siyempre, dapat secured mo. Ha? Perimeter fence, the drainage. Ha? Consider nyo yan. And also yung protection ninyo sa ano along the Tuganay River. Okay, proceed.
Good
Afternoon.
For the contract ID 24 and 24, Babak Samal, Kaputian, K1515, Lasang, K1518 plus 95, Davao del Norte. The source of fund, 86,500,000. And with APC of 96,500,000, source of fund, CY 2024 regular infrastructure program, contracturation of 225 calendar days, total length of 3,307 million. This is the location plan. Scope of works, asphalt overlay of 2 lanes, reblocking, removal and reinstallation of solar stands, location of the vectorized thermostat, data markings, and ground shouldering. These are the local buildings. And the preservation.
Okay, question? No question? Okay, next project.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair.
Good afternoon.
Everyone. For contract ID 24LO0228, Saturnino R. Silva Road, kilometer 1476 plus 392 to kilometer 1478 plus 400. The approved budget for the contract is 96,500,000. From under the CY 2024 regular infrastructure program with a contract duration of 160 calendar days and a total length of 1,991 linear meters. So this is the project location. For the typical section with the scope of works of asphalt overlay, PPM and thickness, reblocking of 7 blocks, removal of existing damaged asphalt, gravel shouldering, installation of warning signs, and application of reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings. These are the total figures. And our presentation.
Along kwan siya? Along what road?
Saturnino R. Silva.
Oo, saan na siya?
Carmen.
Carmen Dapitan. Tagum Asuncion. Okay, question? No question? Okay, next project.
For the contract I before and also with full line, Tagum-Panabo Circum Road, K1514 to K1516 plus 670. With the APC of 96,500,000, source of funds, CY 2024 regular infrastructure program, contract duration of 225 calendar days, a total length of 1,628 million. This is the location plan. Scope of works, asphalt overlay of 4 lanes with 8 and thickness, removal of existing asphalt, reblocking, reconstruction of 4 lanes, and application of reflectorized and plastic pavement markings. This is the current section. These are the general plans. And presentation.
Okay, question? Okay, paano naman yun? Na-discuss naman nila to. Okay na? Okay, next project.
For the 24 and also 34, construction of road and drainage. Carmen, Davao del Norte, with the APC of 28 million, 10%. Source of funds, contract duration of 157 calendar days. Total length of 834.8 linear meter concrete from section 1 to 5. And these are the location plan. Section 1, the vertical line. Scope of works, located of 137.8 linear meter road. And construction of line canal with 0.9 meter and depth stories and application of the vectorized and plastic pavement marking. For section 2, these are the total points. for section one. For section two, the orange line. Scope of works, completing of 173 road and completion of replacements and of payment methods. These are the activities. For section three, the yellow line. Scope of works, completing of 173 linear meter road. Application of reflectorized and equipment markings, installation of 36 service mode. These are the for the section four, the red line. Scope of works, completing of 172 linear meter road. Application of reflectorized and plastic pavement markings and construction of covered and on both sides. And section five, for the scope of works, completing of 179 meter road, application of reflectorized and plastic pavement markings, construction of covered on both sides, installation of pump house and installation of system. And representation.
Yes, Abby.
Can you go back to the items for second floor? Second floor. Kaya ba ang kanal, is power and pump. Kaya kung hindi ako tutuloy sa fitness na parang really Katong site, yung critical sector number 4 na sections of the road. Kaya ba o? Nalutaw ang kanal. So, pagsunod, sa tayo, next time,
Wala ako yun. So, image niya mo, dipit na siya sa fence. Because the road, design sa road po, sa mga kind of blocking,
How many meters ang road right of way diha? Varies man itong ibutan ninyo sa typical. 10? Barangay road? Ang kanibang gina-question ni Ma'am Ade, is this all throughout? Ganun ang kanya? Hindi, all throughout, ganun. Nakalitaw yung ano natin.
Hindi po siya nilangin talaga na quick one na production. Kaya hindi
Kanya, right after the concrete, no? Right after the 2.5 kanal dayon. Nya open. Pa-verify daw ni siya, Ma'am Ade, sa field kung kasi tama yung observation mo na ang sa lake catch niya nga tubig, kung run off water lang,
Nabuhat.
dako ra po kayong kanal. Ang pilay dimension sa kanal, 1 meter? Pila? Ang opening niya.
Ano ang client sa ano?
1 meter? Wala man kay dimension.
Urban areas, ang tubig, basta make sure lang sa actual ba dili magdamag ko nagamitan ang kanal na yun.
Oo, usay i-catch niya. Oo. I-elevate na to. So, mag-provide ta og line canal. Pero sa ang ano dito, ang existing dito, stagnant ang tubig? Kung stagnant ang tubig, kung mag-propose tag-ani, naabatay outfall?
Dapat sa orange na light dumaling din nila si Mary foundation para foundation
Asa man ibutang tong line 3 ba to? Parang sa yellow o sa red? Kaning line 4 mo ni siyang katong na ay line canal. Dako ang imong pumps.
Yes.
So, kisay mag-maintain sa pump? Barangay? Municipal? Okay, please check na lang tong ano yung observation na di dapat mo ano. Then also if you are going to elevate ang ano basi malubong na po ang mga balay di pod. Mag ano sila sa ilang entrance. May puro balay ba na diha? Just check the elevation lang no sa kalsada. Okay? Any other question, Ma'am Bit? Sir Aris, wala na. So let us now proceed to project number 10. Just arrive, attorney. Kanina. Kailan alis niyo? Kailan alis niyo pa ano? Pa Japan?
Sa
Holy Week pa. Ilang
March 20, Wednesday lang kami mag-absent. Tapos Monday mag-absent.
bilis?
So, ano lang.
2 weeks?
Kay ano man,
2 weeks?
6 days lang.
6 days. Ano lang yung kayo mag-witness na yung ano, tanong lang yung mag-sakura.
Bastos man mo.
Tanan mo?
Mga lawyer.
Uy, mag-LDAP na ba niya? Paano yan? Naka-prepare na tayo?
Oo, ang ano, nakabukas
tayo.
Next budget, 24 and also 248. construction of flood mitigation structure, riverbank protection along Tagum-Libuganon River Basin for Carmen section, protecting Guadalupe, Mabaus, Davao del Norte with an ABC of 96,500,000. Project completion at Carmen, Davao del Norte, source of fund is of flood mitigation structure protecting major buildings and facilities with contract duration of 240 calendar days. So for our project completion, we are still on Libuganon rivers with a blue line, and then our project is downstream the Guadalupe Mabaus project. So for the blue application, this is Guadalupe Mabaus Road, and this is our Libuganon River. This is the beginning of the project and then the end of the project. So for the scope of work, this is 650 linear meter, right bank, reinforced concrete development with 18 meters closure at beginning and end of the project. The revetment wall is just 0.5 by 0.5 meters by 1 meter concrete blocks. And also, number 2, the construction of a 3-meter maintenance wall. So this is the typical section for the concrete revetment. So the bottom of the revetment is, which is under our river, is 7 meters and with a height of 4 meters. These are the scope of works for our project. So our major scope of works is the reinforced concrete. And for our project photos, so this is the beginning of the project. And we will tap into this project for the end. So ipap mo actually ang side. So hindi mo mag-end ng project.
This will connect to the existing
Yes,
name.
yes. So tulong ka contracts din ha, we have 2 contracts per the region.
Kumusta na ang atong mga concrete revetments di wala na damage?
Natay na damage sa may beginning ng ako sa atong sa beginning ng project. Bali, upstream ni siya mga din palulo. Yes, ma'am, facing downstream. Dari sa beginning, then pasaka na dito. Isumpay na sa ako, existing na revetment.
Ako sa Libuganon, no? Okay, question? No question? Okay. Proceed with the next project. 249.
The chair, pwede na ko isingit ang akong na-deliver lang to sa batch 1 na 25 million.
Basta man ko siya.
Nasa mga guys.
So, hindi pa
Sige.
So construction of flood mitigation structure at Lasang is and downstream protection plan Davao del Norte with an ABC of 24,125,000. Under project commission Panabo City, Davao del Norte with a source of fund of CY 2024 regular infrastructure program. So, as for the project location, this is our Lasang Dam. So we construct a ground seal for the protection of our dam. And then as per discussion that we will provide a series of check dams. So our section 1 is 60 meters from our dam, which is the ground seal. And then we also have section 2, the earth dike. And then for section 3, another ground seal or check dam. This is for our budget location plan. For our typical section, for our section 1, we have construction of reinforced concrete ground seal with steel sheet piles and gabions. This is 70 meters. And for our section 2, we also have construction of earth dike. This is 100 meters. And then for our section 3, we also have construction of ground seal with gabions, which is this typical section. Also 70 meters. So we have our section 1 for this detail. We have section 2 and section 3. Sunod yan po sa ating allocation na since na-reduce pa again from 125 meters na isa lang ang ground seal, ngayon ko siya gawa ka po 70 and then na-repeat ko na ito ang power dike.
Each length of the
Ground seal.
ground seal is
70.
70.
Kuha na siya, perpendicular na siya sa ano, river. No?
Yes.
So two series of
Ground seal.
Check dam. Murag mahulog siya nga that will serve now as a check dam.
Yes, check that. So, bali, sa side mo, secondary check down na nila ito ang kaning section 1 na to, since na sila ay nakaprovide na sila ang first check down. So, second ato and then ato ang section 3 is also the third na siya check down. For our down connection.
Kasi gamit aning sheet piles to nga.
As per, I guess maganda ang discussion before na i-eliminate na lang nato ang sheet pile. As to the sheet pile, I requested personally ang niya na sheet pile since taas ang draft sa ato ang pagbaba sa ato ang downstream na riverbed. So, ang ilahang existing na sheet pile karon, so mo ko na, paspas ko ng iyang exposure and then mo ko nga, mas better kung mag-sheet pile siya ay mas more.
Paspas ang siltation pod. Kay sige, okay. Sige, consider na to. Sige.
And nag-add na po that another series of
Okay, Sir Aris, Ma'am Edith. Question? No question? No more? Ma'am Beth?
Is it 12 meters left?
sheet pile is no.
Luma no? Isang laluma, oy. Kanang taas kayo ba? Kung 6 meters na, di pwede? 6 meters lang?
Kailangan recorded dito is 2 meters per year ang kailangan exposure or kailangan pagkatula sa riverbed. So, mo ko nga, first na mga design is 8 meters. So, dito na lang din mo siya para hindi siya na
Alam mo, 12 meters, 3-story. Puti, yun yung una-unaan ba na, 3-story ba? Nga ang purpose ng ana is katong ano, siltation nga paspas. Ah,
pero kulang ay 8 pa lang or say,
di ba ang ano, di ba pwede na siya maano katong sa depth of scar gani na to? Compute na to?
is
Ang sa mo na pag ano nga kanang ginaingon nimo nga nagababa siya by 2 meters per year. So now if you're going to construct katong provide katong mga pwede ibutan na to 6 meters tapos will it not ano induce katong magkuan siya ba? Magkuan siya siltation kanang murag
Considering na nakikita sa structures,
mag-silt na siya. Kasi 6 meters is already a 2-story building so lalong nakain na siya. Kasi 6 meters gani man sa tanaw ninyo. Ako sa understanding lang nako ha. Ano ba ninyo ito? Inyo dang i-consult sa flood control kay Sir Alain?
sila yung
right?
Dili, katong ano lang. Katulang pilote. Hmm.
Ano ang ability ko lang yung analysis ang sa sheet pa yun. Kung considering lang sa outline.
Kasi ma'am, sa analytical sa Chinese na design, complete lang. And then recipient,
Kaya nga, di ba kanina atong gi-aprubahan?
suggest ang recipient na editors, since past story na sa report, hindi ba nila na 2 meters a year?
2 meters.
And suggest sila, foundation na steeper. Suggest sila na
Katong ilang check down dito na sheet piles to?
Is
Pila ka meters? 12? Paspas day kayo anda. Sa bagay ang velocity sa tubig, unya ang frequency sa baha, ano ba, may mga considerations, di ba? Isa ba pwede na to pang
ang ilang meters, pila na meters ang expose ni.
kailangan is 2 meters, almost 2 meters na siya.
Yung sana to be install ang ilang na
2 years to go.
meters ang expose ni. 1 meter.
Ang first presentation ng water is 8 meters. Maximize ang limit namin ito.
Hanggang yung match na sa orientation nila mag-report sa ibigay.
Yes, ma'am.
Pero what may response ang pag-land service? Kung okay, ano lang, okay,
puro magud na siya assumption lang so wala tay basis ba nga nung nag-adapt og 12. So if it would suffice na 6 meters lang nganong dili. So ang kuha nato na ma'am date is for us to be convinced na kuan jud tama lang ang 12 meters. So anyway, ato na lang siguro na siyang ikuan ma'am, i-refer sa planning Kay basin naa sila consideration, mga considerations ana ba kanang mga depth of scar, depth of scar and scar depth, lahi ba na siya nga ano no? Sige daw, i-check daw ninyo. Kasi assumption lang manggod siya nga 6 meters. 12 no? So, nya imong
analysis is 8. And then allowance na lang for 12 meters.
kuan man gud na siya katong deepening of the riverbed. Ano, sige, nagakalalom siya. Tapos,
Sana ko ano, katulong i-present ko sa niya sa mga graphs sa elevation less than 1 kilometer ng present na sa mga almost 5-7 years siguro pa na comparison sa pag-graph sa level sa riverbed. Labot mong dito 5 meters mga less than kilometer na mo 5 meters for 7 years.
ang drop niya.
Yes. Okay, mag-i-carry ito ang sa elevation ng so consider nagmamang ko sa design tapos sa sheet file. Plus, ang additional na yung same ang preventive means sa katong buwan ng kung ilang years siya mo balik ginagawa drop sa elevation mo balik actually tanong nyo akala mo sa tanongin nyo sa ang function mo hindi na ito mausap itong 7 meters 5 meters ng drop sa elevation for 7 years kay nagtitekan na siya mas takot-takot balik ang taning drop sin naman sa Babak is kung ano siya kaya flexible siya mga kung drop, hindi nila yung drop actually sa parang na design is level na yung first ground seal, second ground seal level. Pag mag-drop ang kaning
First.
perfect sa downstream, first ground seal lang kung flexible lang yung drop ng kapil. Pero ang katong second ground seal is maintain. So to the point na dito niya
Pero exposed na po din ang pilote. Ma-expose ang pilote anak. Ang sheet piles.
Protected siya sa ground seal para dito niya maabot ng 5 meters na difference ng buffers. 7 meters na.
Ang ano ba, ang first ug second is the same lang ang length sa pilote nato, 12 gyapon.
Wala yung sheet file yung second na
Wala kato lang first.
wala yung
Flexible yung sa downstream mga
Okay lang na, wala na siya pilote, wala na siya pile, so
drop
pwede na siya mo drop na siya iya.
Katong siguro lang sa apps ng mga game. Katong
Uy, siguro gani kung mag-siltation na siya, matabunan na.
isang sa damo concern.
Asa man ma'am di, padayon na to? Kaduhan na nato ni nga kuan. Kasi what we agreed is kaning concrete ground seal. Kaning konkreto. Dili siya pilote, di ba? Tapos nag-request ang niya na ipilote gyud siya. Ang karon na pod ang length na po sa pilote atong gina-discuss. Padayon na to? Sir Aris. Okay, mas may man ng over-design kaysa under-design. Siguro. Kani siya ordinary pa ni siya nga kuan. Water level. Kasi we have to protect also the dam eh.
Yan.
Lagi. Okay, so proceed na.
Okay.
Okay, let us now proceed to ano? Number 12. Hmm? 11? 11 pa?
For the project construction of road 401 to 402, Barangay Tagdalio, Samal District, Igapos, Davao del Norte. The approved budget for the contract is 9,900,000. Source of funds, CY 2024 Police Infrastructure Program, with the contract duration of 80 calendar days and a total length of 470 linear meters. So this is the budget completion. It has a length of 470 linear meter for the scope of works completing of 470 linear meter road with a width of 6.1 meters and a thickness of 130 mm, complete paving of shoulder, gravel shouldering and application of reflective plastic pavement markings. So this is the picture section. And these are the delta poles.
So,
Why do we have to pay this road there?
The ingredient na yung slope sa coconut mo,
It's greater than,
6%.
wala ba ang neighborhood okay?
Limit mo, bigyan siya. Yes. And our presentation.
Where did we
Wala po yung problem so far. Hindi, sa regulation.
okay, so no question. Okay, next project.
For construction of Junction Provincial Road, 4B, Barangay Magsaysay, Carmen, Davao del Norte. The ABC is 29,700,000 under VIP with a contract duration of 208 calendar days. The total length is 1,480 linear meters. This is the project completion. The project has two sections. One section, it has a length of 1,480 linear meters. For the typical section, the scope of works is completing of 1,280 linear meter, gravel shoulder, installation of traffic services, warning signs, and general application of reflectorized thermoplastic pigment markings, and installation of line canals and mounting. This is the other typical. And the photos.
Ano siya existing line canal?
Yes, sa right side mo, tangan na parang sa left side ko.
Okay, question? Espanyol pa? Vindala. Presentasyon. Sana Espanyol ba to? Mga lokal.
Afternoon, Madam Chair.
Good afternoon.
24LO 0266, construction of multi-purpose building, barangay, mga Carmen, Davao del Norte. And an ABC of 7,000,000 425,000 for the funds to CY 2024 Resolutions Structure Program. The calendar is of 151. These are the location. Barangay Malcalda, Davao del Norte. These are the oriental photos. Scope of works is construction of 4 bridging, 16 meters by 24 meters, with stage and bleachers, 0.50 concrete slab with 2 movable rings, roofing works, painting works, complete electrical works, complete plumbing works. These are the floor plan. Typical elevations and perspective. Site validation and a presentation.
Yes, Ade.
How about the patron? Is it a government?
Donation for our process.
On process, I'm sorry. Ay, Davao, hindi ka dumawa. Saan lang gagaling yung, sino mag-donate po?
Private for
Wala na naman tayo donation.
Yeah. You have to secure yung proof of ownership.
Yes. With the division, must be secured prior to the bidding. That will be the bidding.
How fast can we secure katong deed of donation? On process na ba or i-process pa?
Wala pa, hindi pasan.
Hmm?
Kahit basahin lang at manotarize, okay.
It is not a flooded area. It's very off, even an environment.
is info po, hindi pa daw makaamon sila. Pero ikot na bagong road, sulog road, mataas pa. Sila sa team sa pero ang FO is
How many meters imong i-raise? 0.6 lang. From the elevation of the existing road karon.
yes.
So is that enough?
Yes, ma'am.
So ang kwan lang ani is the same, no? Di isa na to i-bid out ni. Di isa na to i-bid until we have the deed of donation. Okay? Any other concern? Kaning nga kwan?
Consider the very good, let's say,
Standard voltage 220 volts, motor power 3 to 4 kilowatts, pumping range 3 to 8 millimeter, pumping force 2,000 to 2,100 kilonewton, flow size 2 inches. For the counting machine specifications, standard voltage 220 volts, motor power 3 to 4 kilowatts, flow size 2 inches, blade standard, speed 2,880 to 2,900 revolution per minute. Control and operating. For the steering machine, the specifications are as follows. Standard voltage 220 volts, motor power 0.75 to 0.85 kilowatts, total size 2 inches, manual tools 10 pieces, speed of tool rotation 100 to 110 RPM, control tool operator. For the terms and conditions, number one, supplier must submit brochure with specifications for each shop equipment currently offered. Number two, supplier must conduct trainings, seminars, the operation and maintenance of the shop equipment currently offered. Number three, delivery period is 60 days upon receipt of purchase order. Number four, warranty period of 2 years. Number five, supplier must have an established office, service center, and technicians in Davao region. We have the sample the screen.
So asa di kanini siya gamiton?
Para siyang para sa mga heavy process sa pagputol o sa butang sa iyahang mga fittings used for heavy equipment. So nakadalay sa pictures.
Again, you will be sharing this with Davao del Norte, Mother District. Kaya wala man may sarili ninyong motor.
For mga gamit namin sa area shop, hindi naman siya makita. Pero ang mababal naman siya. So, pagkahanan ko ng district ako, ang ito siya.
Pili na ninyo. Palit na magbago. Okay, any other question? None. So, do we have reminders pa para sa goods? Okay, Engineer Pacquiao.
As to the reminders, so our requirements for the bidding documents, we have instruction leaders, general conditions of the contract, special conditions of the contract, specification, forms and other necessary documents. They are also downloadable in our websites and DPWH website. And for the documents to be submitted by the bidder, including technical and financial proposals. So first is the Class A and Class B documents for eligibility and technical proposals, including the necessary documents for financial proposals, are indicated in the checklist for eligibility, technical and financial proposals for the bid and award committee. Second is the checklist is downloadable in the DPWH and DPWH website, and the bidders can secure hard copies from the office of the tax secretariat. And lastly, each and every page of the document shall be signed by the bidder or its duly authorized representative. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Pacquiao. Again, for those who will be participating on the bidding for goods and other services under for these two projects, again, we'd like to remind the prospective bidders to thoroughly check your bidding documents before submission to avoid being declared non-responsive or non-compliant during the opening of the bids. Okay, so any other matter that you would want to take up? Yes, Engineer Tuna. The outside NATO. Okay, to our viewers who are watching us live via our YouTube channel, and also to Ma'am Ivy Bingil. Thank you, Ma'am, for joining this afternoon's program proceedings.